Hello, hola, welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to talk about the 7 top real estate niche that you can do to earn over $100,000 a year. Stay to the end because I have 7 more real estate niches that you can make big money off of. So we have a total of 14 niches in real estate that you can do to make you a nice income. Come on in. Let's get right to the matter at hand. But before I do, I want to give my shout outs. I want to give a shout out to Lynette Stewart, Tyrone Bryant, and Elaine N. I can't pronounce your last name, so I'm not going to try, but I want to congratulate all of you for giving yourself a chance to become a better you. Speaking of a better you, make sure you go down in the description to get you some Become a Better You t-shirt or get you a telephone case or a towel. Let's go. I'm pretty sure you all have already guessed the number 1 real estate niche to make over $100,000. That is being an investor. As an investor, you can make $100,000 plus. An investor is basically the person that buys and sell houses, and they call that flip, or they call that rehabbers. You make money that way, or they buy and hold. So they're investing in real estate property. So as an investor, you can make $100,000 plus, depending on how hard you work and depending on your state. Real estate investors also renovate, and all with the purpose of building wealth. Being a real estate investor is one of the top niche in the real estate industry. The second is commercial leasing manager. A commercial leasing manager can make anywhere from $100,000 and up. A commercial leasing manager manages and directs the daily activities of leasing operations department in accordance with the organization policies and standards. Mostly, they're responsible for all leasing functions, which may include reviewing and negotiating leases and transactions and agreements. So the commercial leasing manager, the norm is about $80,000 to about $156,000. The third is a general contractor. General contractor usually make about 100 plus. Actually, there's some millionaire contractors that make about 100,000 on a project. So general contractors is another top real estate niche that you need to look into. They're responsible for providing all of the materials, the labor, the equipment, and services necessary for the construction of the project. Being an agent, a real estate agent. A real estate agent is basically a licensed person who represents the seller or the buyer of real estate, and they work up under a broker. Usually the real estate agent, they negotiate agreement and manage the documentation and all that good stuff. The next one is one of our favorites, being a wholesaler. A wholesaler can actually make 6 figures. I've said this over and over, 100,000 plus, even millions. A wholesaler basically contracts a home with the seller, then find a buyer. They find an end buyer. But actually a wholesaler, the biggest thing is buying a property cheap, looking for distressed properties. They get distressed property, homes, apartments or whatever, and sell to a rehabber or sell to an end buyer or sell to an investor that is an end buyer. Wholesalers can make really big money. They're in the top 7 real estate niches. Before I go to the next one, if I'm giving you valuable information, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, let me know where you're at in your real estate. Pick up you some free stocks with Webull. Look in the description below. Sign up with $100. You get 2 free stocks with a value of $1,200. Start that journey of stocks if you haven't already. Start that journey and look down in the description for free stocks. Also in the description, I have some great free resources. Get that seller lead sheet. That seller lead sheet will help you as a wholesaler. It will help you get some of your questions answered. So look down in the description below. That's free. Pick that up. I think that should be very helpful for you. Going back in, a real estate broker. A real estate broker works independently. They're a licensed person, a licensed realtor, but they can work independently. The next top niche is a lender. A lender, being a lender is really massive. As a real estate lender, you loan out money to real estate investors. You have transactional loans. There's so many different type of loans as a real estate lender that you can do to get paid. These salaries depends on the state that you're in. It also depends on the effort that you put into it and also your performance. Only you can make a difference. Only you can be the person that makes this happen for yourself. That was the 7 top real estate niche that you can get into and earn $100,000 per year. The other 7 that I want to give you is something to think about, something to check on. You can become an appraiser, a mortgage loan officer, home inspector, title examiner, Airbnb host, a home stager, and also think about being a designer. Those other 7 may not make you $100,000 unless you like really hustle. But you can make over $100,000 even in the other 7. So you have 14 niches here that you can use in real estate or in the real estate industry. Those are some areas that you can think about earning more income in. Another niche inside of the real estate industry, be a plumber, an electrician, a HVAC. HVAC makes really good money. So those are like 14 niches in real estate that I can think of that came to the top of my head. There is others, there's more. Or comment below if you want me to tell you a few more niches that are in the real estate industry that you can start making money, or you can make extra money, or you can add as a side hustle in real estate as you're doing your wholesaling, or as you continue to be a landlord, or as you are a lender, or wherever you are in your real estate, that you can add some more of these. Remember, more money, more money, more money.